Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best temperature humidity meter you can find today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the KK Moon. Let's get started. Product feature. The vibrant LCD HD full-color screen offers incredible visibility from any angle. It's perfect for your desk, showing you everything from weather forecasts and moon phases to comfort indicators with stunning clarity. Stay connected to your entire home by supporting up to 3 remote sensors. Easily monitor the nursery, wine cellar, or pantry all at once, ensuring every corner of your living space remains perfectly balanced. Never worry about setting the clock again thanks to automatic radio wave calibration. It supports WWVB, DCF, and MSF signals, adjusting for daylight saving time automatically so your schedule stays right on track. Protect what matters most with high and low temperature warnings, plus ice alerts. These proactive notifications keep you informed of critical environmental shifts before they become a problem for your family. Tailor the device to your needs by switching between Fahrenheit and Celsius, adjusting pressure units, or choosing your preferred 12 or 24-hour time format for a truly personalized experience. Enjoy a restful night with 4 adjustable brightness levels when plugged in. If you're on battery power, the smart 15-second auto-off feature helps conserve energy while still giving you quick access to data. This station is more than just a meter. It includes a handy alarm with a snooze function and a built-in USB port for power output, making it a versatile hub for your bedside or office workspace. Pros: you'll love how this device brings peace of mind to your daily routine. The colorful display makes it so easy to see your home's health at a glance, and the ability to track multiple rooms ensures your loved ones stay comfortable. It's incredibly reliable, taking the guesswork out of weather changes and helping you create a cozy, perfectly monitored environment every single day. Cons: while the screen is beautiful when plugged into an outlet, it does dim after 15 seconds on battery power to save energy. Also, with so much helpful data displayed at once, it might take a moment to get used to the layout, but you'll soon appreciate having all that vital info in one place. Final thoughts. Having a home that feels just right is a wonderful feeling. This weather station isn't just a gadget, it's a way to stay connected to your surroundings and care for your family's comfort. Whether you're tracking the garden's temperature or ensuring the baby's room is cozy, this tool gives you the confidence to manage your home with love and precision. It's a small addition that makes a huge difference. Upgrade your home's comfort today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Cool Product and like this video to stay updated on the best tools for your lifestyle. See you next time.